OK. Here's a clue for the country we're going to look at now. Listen to this.
Ah, that's easy. It must be South Africa.
It is. South Africa is a beautiful country with a huge variety of landscapes. Just look at these.
Tell me about South Africa's recent history and the European explorers.
The first Europeans sailed down the coast of Africa in 1430 in search of gold, silks and spices.
Right down there? Is that the Cape of Good Hope?
Yes. Early explorers had to sail around the end of Africa to get to the Orient. It used to be called the Cape of Storms because it is where the oceans meet. Lots of ships were wrecked in storms off the coast in this area. It became known as the Cape of Good Hope because once you passed it, the journey became much easier.
But the explorers brought a lot of problems with them, didn't they?
Yes, they did. In 1652, the Dutch arrived and built a refuelling station near the harbour area in Table Bay. As more Dutch and British settlers arrived, they needed more land and began to fight the native people and each other for it. The Dutch moved north and eventually established the Orange Free State and the Transvaal as Dutch or Afrikaner independent states. The language they speak is called Afrikaans.
So, South Africa was a nation of British and Dutch colonials who hated each other, descendants of the slaves who they had brought to South Africa and the native black population.
That's right. The causes for some serious problems in the future were already in place.